How to access accessibility features in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft, so Lyft offers a range of accessibility features to support riders with disabilities, ensuring a more inclusive and convenient experience. So here is how you can do it. Open the Lyft app first of all. After that, tap on the U button at the bottom right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find settings. Tap on it. Then here you can find the wheelchair access right here. And if you require a wheelchair accessible vehicle, Lyft provides the option to request one. When requesting a ride, you will see a new ride type labeled wheelchair if available in your area. So simply tap onto here and tap onto this button. Just like this. And that's it. This is how you can access accessibility features in the Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.